Welcome to Coding Smartphone. I'm Dom, and in this video I'm going to show you how to convert your canvas, html5 canvas into an image and download it. So we're going to start here by writing some JavaScript that will help us to convert the canvas into an image and download it onto our SD card. So without wasting my time, I'm just going to hop in and start doing some things. So first, I'm going to start with the window unload function. So I'm going to start everything from the window unload function. And in this function, I'm going to get the canvas, the html5 canvas that I have here by using the I will assign it to a var. So let's say canvas is equal to document dot get element by, or I'm gonna use the query selector instead. And I need to get the context of the canvas too, which is the object we're gonna use to draw on the canvas. So I'm gonna hook the context also in to a variable. So ctx is equal to canvas dot get context, which is a 2D context. So just right here 2D. Now the next thing I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna get the bottom here, which we're going to press to initialize the download. So that one too, I'm going to hook to. I'm not going to hook that one to a variable. It's just going to be a straightforward thing. So document dot query selector btn. I forgot to add a hash in front. Then I'm going to add an event listener, so that whenever we click on the button, it initializes the download of our canvas, convert it into an image, and also initialize the download. So add event listener. Click. Then comes function. So when we click on the button, an action has to be done. So we're gonna call a function called download. So a function called download canvas content. So I'm going to pass the data URL of the canvas as the parameter of our function. That's going to be canvas dot to data URL. Now I'm going to create the function here. So it's just going to be a function and the name. The parameter is going to be the URL. Then the next thing I'm going to do is create an anchor element, so it's just going to be an a is equal to document dot create element. So that's going to be the a element of HTML. And the next I'm gonna do here is I'm just gonna set the href yeah, to our URL here, and I'm gonna give it a name, so dot download. That will be the name of the image when it downloads. So I'll just pass the name from this side, so I'll just make it a name, and I'll pass the name from here. And the last thing I'm going to do here is call the a.click, which is going to call click on the HTML element, and boom, the download is going to be initialized. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to pass the second parameter. So the name is going to be let's say image.png, because since I'm not passing JPG here in this as the parameter of the canvas.to-data URL, by default I'm going to have an image in PNG. So okay, so the next thing I'm going to do here, I'm just going to draw something on the canvas, so when we download we can see the something on the canvas. So I'm just going to draw a rectangular red box, or maybe a square or something on the canvas. So I'm going to set the fill style of the canvas to red. Then I'm just going to call the fill rect, which is going to fill which is going to fill a rectangular box. I'm just going to position it at 0, 0, and the width is going to be at 200, and the height is going to be 100. So yeah, now let's run this and see how our code is looking. So there we have the rectangular box drawn on the canvas perfectly. Now I'm going to run this code, but since I'm running this app is running the HTML code in a web view, there's a little bit of problem with it. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to run this code in a browser, like a real browser, like Chrome. So I'm going to run the code in Chrome, so there I can really initialize the download and all that. So I'm going to change this from the phone to browser, and I'll now press on the run button and choose a browser, of course. So I'm going to choose Chrome. So there we have the code run. So when I press on the download button, yeah, a download has to be. So as you can see here, the file is downloaded here. So here is the file downloaded as an image.png. Okay, So I'm going to go back to okay. Sorry, there's a little bit of loading here. Okay, so I'm just going to go back to the code. Yeah, so this is how you convert your canvas into an image. You can also do if you want your image to be a JPEG, you can just define that here. So it can just be an image slash JPEG. Okay, I think sorry. So it can be image slash JPEG for a for a JPG file. Okay, you can also specify the quality here, like maybe 0.1 or something. You can also specify the quality from here. And so if I'm downloading a JPG file, then maybe I wouldn't need this. Okay, so I can just go ahead and run this and see how this is going to look like. So when I run this, there should be a download. So there is a download from here. So you have I have my image.jpg. Yeah. So guys, this is how you convert a canvas into an image. It's just something simple. So this is simple, of course, but I'm going to drop this I'm going to drop the code in the link of the code at the description section. And if you like my video, please like and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of this and more educative stuff like this, please subscribe and don't forget to comment. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.